Making an appointment. Saima. Hello, how may I help you? Sadia. I would like to make an appointment with doctor please. Saima. What would you like to see him for? Sadia. I need my annual physical checkup and also have a shoulder problem, it is aching. Saima. Doctor has openings next week, are you free on Monday or Tuesday? Sadia. I am free on Tuesday afternoon. Saima. We will schedule you for next week Tuesday at 3 p.m. Seeing the doctor. Sadia. Hi, doctor, I came today because I need a flu shot and to get a checkup. Doctor. Okay, have you had a flu shot in the next year? Sadia. No, not in the last few years, my knee hurts as well, I have been. Doctor. When did the pain start and does it still hurt now? Sadia. About 2 weeks ago and yes, it still hurts. Doctor. I suggest you ice it and I will prescribe you some pain medication. Sadia. Thank you, doctor.